Okay, we're cutting out of the headlines to get you these live pictures, cutting across straight to Chandigarh, where Navjot Singh Sidhu, I think, is leaving his residence, leaving that meeting where several top leaders of the Congress party were present. A few ministers, we were also told, were present at that particular meeting. Let's see if there's any audio there and cut across live.
आती जा रही है सुखजिंदर सिंह रंधावा के घर से नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू। आप ये देख रहे हैं कि गाड़ी के अंदर अगली सीट के ऊपर नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू बैठे हैं, जो कि अभी सुखजिंदर सिंह रंधावा के साथ मीटिंग कर अभी निकले हैं यहां से। और अगर अंदर की बात करें, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अभी निकले हैं गाड़ी में, और अगर बाकी मंत्रियों की बात करें तो अंदर चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी, सुखजिंदर रंधावा और सुखविंदर सिंह सुख सरकारिया जो हैं वो मीटिंग के अंदर थे, और बाकी कुछ अन्य विधायक जैसे कि जो कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ग्रुप के विधायक हैं, जिनमें
Randhawa and other ministers, MLAs also. Two simultaneously meetings are being held here. You can see the visuals also. The other Charanjit Singh Channi is here. Charanjit Singh Channi is here. He's just holding the hands, and even he is also left from the residence of Cabinet Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. So the meeting is over now. Now finally, the Sidhu met his own camp, and this report will be forwarded to Congress High Command before the formal announcement of Navjot Singh Sidhu, President of Punjab Congress Committee. And even on the other side, Captain is also holding a meeting with his own camp. Several MPs and MLAs are at Captain's farmhouse. So both the leaders are with their own camps. They are showing their strength in Punjab Congress to High Command. So that message should be loud and clear by both the leaders.
Going across to Amandeep. Amandeep, Sidhu, of course, did not speak to the media, just left the residence of that, and the venue of that meeting. But we are told that Captain Amrinder is very upset, and he's waiting and watching to see what happens when that announcement is made. What are you hearing? How closely is the Captain Amrinder camp watching this? What are the options?
Well, Niranjan, we have just received the latest information from the camp of Captain Amrinder Singh, and that is the inside scoop also, that Captain is also holding a parallel meeting with his own camp with several MPs as well as MLAs at his farmhouse. And even he is also trying to discuss the things, what exactly has happened, and before the formal announcement can be made by the Congress High Command regarding the PPCC President, these such kind of meetings are being held. Niranjan, this is a Pagat Singh, a close aide of... We will try to talk to him also, just because he knows inside out of Navjot Singh.
सिद्धू साहब का मामला अटक ऐसा सामने आ रहा है, तो रुक गई है सर। सिद्धू साहब की ताजपोशी रुक गई है क्या सर?
You can see, Niranjan, everyone is tight-lipped. Even this is a secret meeting, and secret meeting simultaneously is being held at Captain's farmhouse also. Pagat Singh, you can see Pagat Singh along with another MLA, Kulbir Singh Jeera, is leaving from this place. Secret meetings are being held, Niranjan. You can estimate and dope the situation of the Congress party. Both the meetings, a meeting of Captain Amrinder Singh and meeting of Navjot Singh Sidhu with his own camp, this is putting into the thick soup to High Command, just because before the decision of PPCC presidents, this is the situation of Punjab Congress. We were telling from the very first hour that if Navjot Singh Sidhu appointed as a president, there is a section of leaders that will definitely oppose the decision, and that decision will put Punjab Congress into the more complicated situation instead of resolving this entire internal tussle. So this is another hurdle in front of High Command, that how to deal with this section, just because Captain is holding meeting with MPs Manish Tiwari, Gurjeet Aujla, Dimpa, Parneet Kaur, and even several MLAs are inside the meeting. They have also participating in that meeting. They are also discussing how to go about it. If Navjot Singh Sidhu is having the 5 cabinet ministers, several MLAs, Captain is having the several MPs and MLAs, they both are standing on what platform, but in front of each other, not with each other. So these are the both two sections divided in the Punjab Congress, and High Command is trying to fit both the leaders, the entire entire Congress into one frame, but on ground, the possibility is completely ruled out. The Congress party in Punjab have split into the pieces, and either the Captain Amrinder or Navjot Singh Sidhu, one option has to be taken by the Congress High Command, and other will decide his own way. Yes, Niranjan.
Okay, stay with me. In fact, we had some information that came in earlier from the Captain Amrinder camp that all options are open for him. When you say all options, do those options also include a possible exit from the Congress party? Now, is that an option at all, Amandeep?
Well, Niranjan, a recent tweet from Captain Amrinder Singh says that he will follow the line of High Command, and even he has a confidence on the High Command. But the point is, there are certain options for Captain Amrinder Singh. Even remember, Niranjan, if I take you back few years back, when Captain Amrinder Singh was being pulled down by the Congress High Command, he has started floating the information that he will make his own party, that is all Jat Mahasabha party. But nothing has happened. But one after another, Niranjan, the MLAs are leaving from this place. You can see the visuals. And even the similar situation is on the captain's farmhouse also. But Niranjan, the possibility is that if Navjot Singh Sidhu turned to be the president of Congress party, that would be a big disaster by the High Command, just because they are pulling down a loyalist and they are disparaging a newcomer who is Navjot Singh Sidhu and giving him the full authority. But let's see, just because two working presidents will also be appointed by High Command to balance the situation, even everybody knows that Navjot Singh Sidhu is the one who always remain on his own way. He never ever tried to follow anybody, and neither he follow any kind of directions. But Niranjan, the situation is exactly very much complicated, exactly unpredictable, which way to go. Even the Congress leaders are not very much clear on this situation, that either Navjot Singh Sidhu or Captain Amrinder Singh, this complicated situation sustain in the Punjab Congress. And even the Captain Amrinder Singh, who is holding the chair of Chief Minister in Punjab, he is still holding the meeting, and he is the one who have proved himself and having a strong grounds in Punjab Congress since years, Niranjan, since years. And even the Congress High Command knows it and very well aware about this fact, that cannot ignore Captain. They cannot brush aside Captain Amrinder Singh and let the Congress go ahead of 2022 elections. The entire situation after the Sidhu's name come up and pushed by Priyanka Gandhi as a president of PPCC, but that remained to be turned to be the complicated situation and adding more complications to this. Yes, Niranjan.
We're staying with the live pictures and the live report from Chandigarh, where a rather unusual situation is developing. And the situation is that Captain Amrinder is upset with the turn of events and the reports and the leaked news of Captain Sidhu, who could be the new president of the Punjab Congress unit. Captain Amrinder is not happy with that, and Sidhu on his part has been flirting with the idea of quitting the Congress party and joining the Aam Aadmi party. He's been praising the Aam Aadmi party. So it's a little bit of a chaotic situation for the Congress party. Where does that leave Captain Amrinder? Where does that leave Navjot Singh Sidhu? Let's get in some voices, some reactions. Harcharan Bains, Mr. Harcharan Bains is the close associate of Sukhbir Singh Badal. Harcharan ji, what do you think is going on? Do you think it's just blackmailing tactics at play, and each side trying to, strong arm the other, or is it complete implosion?
See, basically it is the internal affair of that party, so probably it's not appropriate for me to comment on that, but to the extent that it concerns governance in the state, I think for the last 4.5 years they have been doing nothing else. They have just been, sparring at each other. They've just been going on, these battles have been going on in the Congress, and they've been doing nothing else. They've done nothing about drugs. They have done nothing about there's no development, not a single road, not a single school, not a single hospital added in the state. You can ask them. You just ask them to name any. They haven't done anything. All these 4.5 years, And now you can see, if Sidhu says that if I'm not made the president, I'll join the Aam Aadmi Party, then it speaks for the principles of both Mr. Sidhu and the Aam Aadmi Party. So it's all about power. It's all about chairs. It's not about principles. It's not about governance. It's not about work. He'll give him presidency. He'll stay in the Congress. Don't give him presidency. Go to the AAP. And AAP's principles, Aam Aadmi Party's principles are also clear that they will accept anyone who is rejected by others. So that's what has been going on.
Yeah, thank you for joining us, Mr. Bess. Okay, we'll take a short break now on the live report. And when we come back, we're getting you some breaking news, keeping a close track on the situation developing in Chandigarh. All eyes, it's a matter of time. In fact, Captain Amrinder is waiting and watching, and all options are open. Let's see where the story goes.